Good, beautiful morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I am so glad you're here with me watching my video. Now, I know it seems kind of a silly thing to document, but I'm going to document it anyway. And I have, you can see here, my eye looks a little beat up. I had like a little growth on my eyelid for like probably 30 years, but it was very tiny, so I never really cared that much about it. But then all of a sudden, the last year or so, it started getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So I finally decided to have it removed, and that's what it looks like after it was removed. Today, it's not quite as red, and the doctor said I might have a black eye when it was all done, but this is just my normal dark circles. I didn't have a black eye, and this black dark colored stuff is just temporary. It's from the solution that they put on it so it would stop bleeding, and it just discolors your skin for a few days. So I'm still waiting for that to go away. And I had this done Thursday, I had it done Wednesday, and today is Friday, and I still have all that black stuff, but it's not quite red anymore. Anyway, and this is one of my only sunflowers that actually the chipmunks missed eating. So I've got that. It's only about this big though, so I really like the big ones. This is the box for the ointment that I'm putting on my eye. This is like the doctor instruction sheets that you get, your like visit summary notes. And I was thinking about trying to put this in here, but I think it's just going to be too big, so I might end up just like creating a pocket with it and gluing it down. So I'm going to find the next page that's blank, which is right here, or this would be the perfect page to put this on because it's blank. I think I'm going to cut it off right about here, and maybe I'll just tuck the bottom under. Maybe I'll do that. And we'll just kind of have a little pocket here. It's unfortunately a little wider than the page, but I'll just try to be sure to put my tape right here and not here. Let's see if this will fit. Should fit. Yeah, that's gonna fit. So put that there, but then what shall I do with this? Because I don't want to cover up the Rite Aid. Maybe I need a double page spread, actually. Maybe I'll do it here. And we'll put this here, and then I wanted to just kind of cut this up and put that down on the page too. Now, some people might think this is gross or just vain or silly or whatever, but you know, I've waited a long time to get that little gross thing removed, and so I'm gonna put it down. And that's that. That's all there is to that. Alright, I'm going to do this and this, and then close that up. And I can see I might want to do this too. Am I all out already? No. Okay, so that's going to go like that. And I think what I need to do is put my tape here, like right here. I think it's hard to get on this slick. This bag is very slick. It's almost like a wax bag. I think I'm going to actually put some glue on here too, if I can get it out. I think I put the glue too far over on that side. Naturally, I may end up having to put some washi tape over it. Yep. So, let's find some cute washi tape to put on that. Let's try this one. And this one is barely sticky. So, I actually think I need to put some stickiness on this one. How are you guys doing? I hope fine. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I know we are. It started out very gloomy, and it was foggy, so foggy I thought it was going to rain, but it got nice out, so I'm happy about that. We have this person, though, occasionally walks past our house talking very violently, and it scares the heck out of me. Like today he was screaming about somebody buying a Ferrari and how stupid that was, and I don't even think he was talking on the phone. He's always, sometimes all he does is say the F word over and over and over. He seems to be very angry, and one time he came when I was walking the dog, and of course, you know, I was scared to death because he was heading right for me, and I just kind of moved out of the way, and then he actually went to the other side of the street on his own. He wasn't being angry or anything that day, and so maybe I was stupid for trying this, but I thought, why don't I just say hello? And I did, and he just acted like I didn't even exist. So I don't necessarily think he's actually harmful or dangerous. I think he maybe has a mental illness and is imagining that he's talking to someone. That's all I could think of. I've had experience with the people doing that before, and that's kind of what I thought. So anyway, he walked by today again, and it's still scary. I'm going to put some kind of colored backer on this. I think I still need to trim this off because part of the other photo is on it. And I can put the date. I'm really anxious to see what my eyelid is going to look like without that one. And I do actually have another small one right under here, but you can't see it when my eye is open. But it's very small. I was going to have that one removed too, because I anticipate that it's probably going to get bigger. But he said that it's so small and it's on a more delicate part of the eyelid that I should wait till it gets a little bigger. Like this one was just like hanging off of my eyelid right by my eyelash line. So it was very easy to just get it off. But yeah, so I'm not going to worry about this little one. Actually, it's right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here, not there. That's a wrinkle. It's right there. And if my eye is closed, you can't even see it. So I think... Well, I don't think. I know. I'm just going to, you know, only mess with it if it gets bigger. Because, you know, your eyelid is so thin and they shave them off. So, I just, when he told me that it was, you know, it would be a little trickier and a little riskier because of where it's located, I thought, you know what? I can live with it unless it gets super big, and then it will be easier to cut off. So that's that. And I found out that if you, well, in New York State anyway, if you only have Medicare, you're considered underinsured. And I was eligible for a free mammogram and a free women's health and a free colon cancer kit. So I was happy about that. So we're getting all those things. My husband's getting the colon cancer kit thing too. And yeah, I was really happy because I had turned down, I had an appointment like last year and found out that my copay was going to be almost $500 for a mammogram, and at the time I couldn't afford it, and so I was really happy that this thing showed up, and it came in a, I don't know if you guys get these little newspapers, like community newspapers called Penny Savers, but it was in there. It was just a flyer in there. I never would have even known about it. So I'm glad I got that paper from the pharmacy when I picked up my prescription. It worked out very well. So if you are underinsured or uninsured, your state might have some kind of program like that you could check out. It doesn't really have a specific name that I know of. But yeah, I don't know if it's county or state. Maybe it's just county. I honestly don't know. But it's something that you could check into to see if you have it available. And then we can, you know, as I get older, I'm getting more and more nervous about like every ache and pain that, oh, what if it's cancer, or you know what I mean, or what if I'm having a heart attack, or so I'm really glad to have all these tests available. My brother died from colon cancer because he looked on the internet and thought it was something else, and he just kept ignoring it until it was too late. And I don't want to do that. I think I'll put this right here. And this is my very weird little layout for getting my eyelid fixed. It's plastic surgery. I feel like I went and had my eyelid done so that I won't have droopy eyes, but unfortunately I should have had him do that at the same time, right? Fixed my eyelids. Alright, well that's it. I'll have to figure out something else for this page. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. In the meantime, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye, guys.